guys, I'm Rashmi and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be talking about depression. Well, depression के बारे में मैंने कई बार बात की है, but it's all about my own experiences. Today, I'm gonna be talking about something else as well. Yes, depression, struggle. आपको नहीं लगता कि ये almost same है? No? Well, everyone is struggling with something or the other. Well, some people call it as stress. Some people might call it as something else, but somewhere or the other, deep down, it is depression, people. And when it comes to word that struggle, we always think it belongs to the artist. Literally, it belongs to the artist. But this is not the fact. Everyone is struggling in their life. Like, even if someone is doing 9 to 6 job, he is getting his salary, but he might not be satisfied in his personal life. He might be not happy with something, whatever he is gaining out of that job. Maybe he wants to do something else. So according to me, that is also comes under struggle, and that is also somewhere or the other that person is depressed. And I really want to talk about it. After Sushant's death, I felt really like some part of me has lost. I literally felt that, just because I could literally relate my thing with him. He was an engineer, I am an engineer. He was struggling on the upper side for acting. I am also struggling for acting. Although I did lots of short films, he has done lots of movie, but still definitely he was not satisfied with whatever he was getting. I am also not satisfied with whatever I am getting. I am also, every day I'm struggling to get something new, something really big. And while in that process, कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने आप को खो देते हैं. And you know what, वही नहीं होना चाहिए. वो जब होता है, वो चीज जब होती है, like that, I wouldn't say it greediness or something, but maybe that is a passion. And that passion can't keep you stable. Today only I shared a post, and in which I literally wrote it, that perfection lies in next step, but passion lies in today's step. Whatever I am doing today is my passion, and somewhere or the other, deep inside, I'm having so many hopes from myself that it gets me depressed. And you know what? I really want to talk about that. One question I have for all of you. जहर खा के मरना बहुत easy है. Don't you feel so? I mean, like, take tablets, take any poison, eat it, drink it, whatever, and just sleep. नींद में ऊपर. But hang होना. Do you understand? It literally takes 5 to 10 minutes to do so. Means एक दुपट्टा ढूंढो, कुछ तो ढूंढो, उसको literally fan पे लगाओ, and then hang yourself. It takes time. That means the thought process he was going through was real bad. And to be honest, even I have tried many times, but somewhere or the other, शायद मेरे में उतने courage नहीं थे जो मैं कर नहीं पाई, and I'm so glad. And कभी भी मेरे parents का चेहरा मेरे सामने आ जाता था, and I literally felt I cannot do that to myself. Just because I lost someone whom I loved or whatever, it doesn't mean कि मैंने अपनी life खत्म कर देनी चाहिए. I struggled. And you know what? One more thing is, whoever is in depression, that person be in depression for quite a long time. And I don't think so that person really needs something else. That person only needs love. Give them love. And some points that I have noted down to all those strugglers, as I have already mentioned, it is not for only 9 to 6 wale people or someone else. It is for everyone, each one of you. So it goes like, shape your mindset. People, we really need to shape our mindset. We really need to understand कि हमें अपने आप के साथ cope up कैसे करना है. You know what? Definitely there are loved ones, there are friends who are going to come, who are going to console you, who are going to tell you so many things. But it's your mind. It's either you are, it's either gonna take you lot ahead or maybe lot down, a lot. And इसे control कैसे करना? It's totally in your hand. Do spiritual ways. I mean, do some meditation, do yoga, do something, but control your thoughts. You have to have that power. You need to find it, how to do it. Second, again, stable mind balance, mental balance. So it again comes under the same thing. Stable mindset के लिए और mental balance के लिए what you can do is meditation. It might sound difficult at start, but trust me people, it is not difficult. Start with like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, at max like 5 minutes at start, and gradually increase it. It will definitely gonna be showing you really amazing effects. The next one, tackle upcoming bad time. We all know and we all are facing this pandemic. It's not only Indian people, it's all over the world except China. Fuck the shit. But you know what? Have courage to tackle it. Everyone is tackling the situation in one way or the other. Even I am tackling my situations. There is time I cry my heart out, but I only know one thing. I have to stand for myself. If I am dreaming of something really big, I have to have that courage to get out of that phase and make myself happy. So yes, we have to do that for our own self. And you know what? Simply watch some motivational videos when you are feeling really down. Maybe talk to your friends. Or the best part is read. Like take a book and read. It will definitely gonna be diverting your mind. And trust me, that's very helpful. Suicide is not final destination. People, suicide is never the final destination. चाहे कितना भी स्ट्रेस आए, कुछ भी आए, एक पल ऐसा आता है ना कि आप अपने आप को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. As I have already said, सुशांत के दिलो दिमाग में बहुत कुछ चल रहा था. एंड में उसने हैंग किया, वहां तक वो पहुंचा. मतलब he couldn't control himself. And I'm sure he doesn't want any one of us कि ये हमारे साथ किसी के साथ हो. So understand it. Please understand it. Whenever you feel like suicidal thoughts आते हैं या कुछ आता है, and then you feel like okay my world is ending, there is no one to look after, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, please think about it again. I know कि वो mindset बहुत गंदा होता है. You don't understand, you don't realize it, and things just happens. But give it a full stop, people. Give it a full stop. Give those thoughts to a full stop. Tell me one thing, अगर किसी ने ऐसा कर लिया, what about their family? What about the parents? How they gonna be surviving without you? Don't do that. Trust yourself. That's very important, to have trust in your own self. Never lose hopes. Well, मेरे सपने भी बहुत बड़े हैं. कभी कभी लगता है कि कुछ ज्यादा ही बड़े सपने लेके मैं पैदा हो गई. But I'm not losing hopes, people. I'm not losing hopes. I know some days are very difficult, but some days are very beautiful. And you know what? Destiny में तभी तो मजा आता है ना जब destiny मिलती है. Actually, journey में मजा आता है. So today might be some people are struggling, but if you are really struggling, if you know that your hard work, you're doing that hard work, you are putting in so much efforts, I'm sure results will be at your doorstep. Just wait and watch for it. Never lose hopes. Money is not everything. Your presence matters to your family. True. Somewhere even I say that money is everything, but money is not everything, people. सुशांत के पास सब कुछ था. सब कुछ था. Even family थी. Maybe he wasn't having that someone. Maybe that someone killed him. Never know. We don't know, but one thing is for sure, your girlfriend, boyfriend, friends, keep them aside. Your parents needs you. They are there for you no matter what. So you know what? Understand it. Definitely, आज पैसा नहीं है कल आएगा, but if you are doing that hard work, if you are putting in efforts, no one can stop. No one. That's a matter of time. Understand. Forget about nepotism. Focus on your hard work. People, you have to focus on your hard work. Nepotism हर जगह है. You tell me, okay, I belong to IT, I am belonging to not Bollywood, but somewhere, yeah, my aspirations are there. And डेफिनेटली एवरीवन नोज अबाउट बॉलीवुड कि अरे हाँ इसका बच्चा आ रहा है, उसका बच्चा आ रहा है, इसका ये आ रहा है, उसका ये आ रहा है. सो आंसर मी वन थिंग, ओनली वन थिंग. अगर आप सीईओ हो किसी कंपनी के, सम कंपनी इज लाइक मे बी बिलोंगिंग टू यू, जब आप रिप्लेस हो जाओगे या करोगे तो आप किसे करोगे? एग्जैक्टली योर किड. देन आप वहां पे पियोन के पास जाके नहीं बोलोगे कि अरे आपका बच्चा तो बहुत स्मार्ट है यार, मैं कर दूंगा, मैं उसको अपनी जगह दे दूंगा. That's not gonna be happening. Then why you are expecting that to happen? क्यों कोई आपको प्लेस देगा? Just answer me. No one. So you know what? Do it for your own self. Focus on your hard work, people. That's the key. That's the key for everything. It's not only in Bollywood. It's not only in any other field. It's not only for artists. It's for everyone. Hard work is the key. Consistency is the key. You have to do it. Motivate. Keep motivating yourself, people. Well, I know सबको बहुत स्ट्रेस आता है, बहुत सी चीजें होती है. इवन मेरे पास भी अपने बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो आई फील लाइक oh my god, am I what I did, why this is happening to me, but I don't have a solution to it, do I? So you have to motivate yourself. No one will be coming and doing it. For sure, your good friends, your best friends, maybe your girlfriend, boyfriend, maybe your parents, for sure. They are there. But not everyone can understand you as much as you understand yourself. Understand that. You know what? Give time to yourself. That is the best part. Give time to yourself. हर दिन अगर आप आपको खुद को आधा घंटा या 1 घंटा देंगे, you will understand a lot. There are lots of people who doesn't want to give time to themselves and then they are saying कि अरे यार रश्मि टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है. कैसे टाइम नहीं मिलता है यार? Come on, keep your phone aside and just think of what you want, what you did throughout day. Write it down. Do whatever you think, like give that specific time to your own self and that will gonna be helping you in the long run. Trust me. You will see a lot of difference in coming near future. Literally within a month or 2, you will see a lot difference in yourself. And motivational videos तो है. And you know what? जब आप अंदर से खुश होंगे, you know, even if the depression is there, even if something else is there, but you would be able to control yourself, which is more important. So do that. And you know what? और एक चीज कही जाती है, मोटिवेट वही बहुत अच्छे से कर पाते हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा निगेटिविटी से जाता है. I don't know if it is true, but that's what I feel. Struggles. Don't give any reasons. You know what? लोगों के पास बहुत सारे reasons है. Okay यार लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. Oh come on, fuck the shit. Seriously. Don't give me reasons. Don't tell me कि यार ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है. For sure कि वहाँ पे restrictions है, वहाँ पे कुछ definitely कुछ different you know compilation होंगे, कुछ चीजें होंगी जो might not work out. But there are other ways to work it out, right? So for example, if you cannot go out and do shooting, if you cannot go out do painting, if you cannot go out do something else, but if you can sit at home, you can practice. You have your mirror, you have your phone, you have your camera, you have so many stuff right in front of you. Utilize that. And also there is one more thing. Try to focus on your relations to improve it. You know what? ये भागती हुई जिंदगी में ना हम ये भूल चुके हैं कि एक रिलेशन कैसे मेंटेन करना है. So do that. Even I am a person, I would call myself extrovert come introvert person. Extrovert come introvert person. Why? I talk a lot as well, but I don't talk as well. It totally depends from the person's vibes and a lot. So, but I always make sure that I am keeping the good relation with the close ones. So I have few friends whom I can count on. My parents for sure, they are the most important in the whole world. My brother, my sister Aruna. I mean, these people are so important for me that I always make sure that I am having good relation with them. There is one more, Pratiksha. Well, I think जब मैं पीछे मुड़ के देखती हूँ तो तब मजाक में लगता है कि अरे मैंने कितने रिलेशन बिल्ड कर दिया. some relations are like कि you know friends के भाई बहन है but वो अभी मेरे बहुत close हो चुके हैं. So that is something funny. Work on that as well. You know what? That helps you a lot. That helps you a lot. So do that. Try it once. Try it once, people. And you know what? Do it selflessly. Don't think of okay मतलब मुझे क्या benefit होगा. बहुत कुछ benefit होगा but पहले selfless तो बनो. Keep everything aside. Focus. अगर एक चीज नहीं हो रही है तो come on, divert yourself for the other thing, but make sure you are improving yourself with every passing day. It is very important for the strugglers, people, and we all are strugglers. Even the actors who are already leading, even the artists in their profession, they are already leading for sure. They are earning in lakhs, maybe crores, or maybe more than that. Even the businessman, but trust me, they are all having some stress or the other. आज मैं एक अलग लीग में हूँ, कल मुझे अलग लीग में जाने का स्ट्रेस रहेगा, परसों कुछ और लीग का स्ट्रेस रहेगा. फॉर श्योर ये होने वाला है. बट इन ऑल द वाइल, व्हाई जस्ट कांट यू इम्प्रूव योरसेल्फ? Focus on that. Don't give any reasons to yourself. And the last, but the most important, talk to your friends before taking a big decision. Talk to your friends, parents. I'm not saying कि go and tell them कि अच्छा मेरा आज सुसाइड करने का मूड है तो मैं कर लूँ क्या? No. That's the most stupid people can, stupid thing anyone can do. बहुत बुरा लग रहा है, बहुत वियर्ड लग रहा है, बट यू कैन डू वन थिंग. यू कैन जस्ट टॉक टू देम. डोंट टेल देम अबाउट योर शिट दैट यू आर अप टू. फॉर श्योर दे विल स्लैप यू रियली हार्ड, बट टॉक टू देम. टेल देम हाउ यू आर फीलिंग. यू नो व्हाट, जो मैंने अभी बोला था, रिलेशंस पे फोकस करो. जब सेल्फलेसली कोई रिलेशन आप हैंडल करोगे, दीज पीपल विल स्टैंड फॉर यू, एंड दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. So all the while, you know what, balance yourself. Mental health is the most important. And you can only save yourself from anything. And mind, well, जितना ऊपर उठा सकता है people, उतना ही गिरा सकता है. So make sure you are utilizing it. You are understanding it. Understand yourself. Control your thoughts. That's very important. Thank you for watching. I hope you loved it and keep loving. Love.